Hi everyone, let's talk about Bonk price update real quick. We're going to be talking about this important daily RSI on Bonk price, and also we're going to be talking about this daily time frame for Bonk, and we'll be talking about the 1 hour time frame as well as the Bonk liquidation heat map. We're going to be looking at the BTC price. Where's the BTC price, and also the BTC overall chart. We're going to be talking about the BTC dominance as well, the fear and greed index as well. My name is Isaac. Please smash the subscribe button if you haven't already. Turn on the bell icon to get notified each time I drop new video. And yeah, so let's just proceed. As you can see, Bonk is currently trading at around 0.00, that is 402632. We have 4 hours 38 minutes left for this daily candle, this current daily candle to close. Let's just head over to CoinMarketCap real quick before I proceed. We are currently at $1.8 billion. By the way, before I proceed, please smash the like button. Like this video if you haven't already. Share this video with your friends and family. Let's spread the good news of Bonk to a wider audience. So the market cap, we are ranked number 47th position by market cap on CoinMarketCap. We are currently at $414 million by volume, ranked number 17th position. Volume is down minus 11.6%. This is bullish. Now I'm going to show you on the chart the reason why I said the volume is bullish, because sooner or later, very soon, you're going to begin to see $1 billion volume, $2 billion, $5 billion volume on Bonk. First of all, let's even check the market cap real quick. The entire market cap, the all-time high market cap was around $2.77 billion according to data on CoinMarketCap. And let's just head back to the chart right now. If you're paying attention to the chart, we are already at a resistance zone. You understand? On the 4 hour time frame, this is a resistance zone. Where we are right now is a resistance zone on the 4 hour time frame. But the most significant resistance point is where we are going to be talking about, which is between 0.00028 and also 0.00030 zone. So those zones are the extremely important zone for Bonk. The moment Bonk is able to conquer those zones, break above it, flip it into a support, then it's going to be an all-time high upon all-time high. Before then, let's talk about this price range you're seeing right here. This was February 8th, and February 8th, 2024, and this one is April 19, 2024. Now let's head back to the RSI. If you're paying attention to the RSI, when we broke out of this trend line right here was when we got the moonshot, and the moonshot gave us over 350% pump on Bonk price. Same thing happened with this second phase of the pump on this RSI. When we broke out of this trend line right here was when we got another moonshot with a low volume. By the way, the momentum wasn't massive like before, so we got another moonshot by the time we broke out of that trend line. And if you're heading back to the chart, that was when we got over 200% pump on Bonk. That was April 19, 2024. Now it looks like history is about to repeat itself once again, because if you're heading back to the trend line, the RSI has broken above this trend line. It has broken out to the upside from this trend line. Sooner or later, either we flip this trend line to a support and then get another moonshot to the upside. You have to pay attention. Bonk is about to explode, like seriously. If you are heading to the 1 hour time frame, we have a clear resistance at around 0.4030444419. That resistance point on the 1 hour time frame is similar to that of the one we have on the daily time frame. That is to tell you that zone is an extremely important zone. Let's look at the Bonk liquidation heat map. If you're paying attention to the liquidation heat map, we have a lot of liquidity around 0.4027, which is liquidity of over $2 million. We have another liquidity. I think the zone between 0.4027 all the way to 0.4030 are full of liquidity for Bonk. So sooner or later, the price of Bonk will skyrocket to the upside. So let's just talk about the BTC dominance. The BTC dominance is currently at 54.69%. Now, In our previous video, we talked about this breakdown. Now, the BTC dominant has successfully closed two weekly candles below the lower trend line, the bottom trend line right here. We've successfully closed two weekly candles. So what we need to see now is a massive rejection of those weekly candles all the way to 52%. The moment you start seeing the BTC dominance drop to around 52%, just know we are gradually making our way to the altcoin season. That is likely to be the early stage of the altcoin season, and the moment you start seeing the BTC dominance bleed further to 50%, 47%, just know the overall altcoin market should be in a parabolic move by then, and you wouldn't want to enter into the altcoin market by then, to be sincere. The best time to enter is now when things are scary, when a lot of people are panicking. Because if you're paying attention to the fear and greed index, there's a lot of panic, a lot of fear in the overall crypto space right now. The overall cryptocurrency market sentiment, the fear and greed index is indicating we are at 27%. Yesterday was 28, last week was 51, last month was on grid zone, which was 75. So we have 12 hours 55 minutes for this fear and greed index to update. So fingers crossed, let's see how it goes. And yeah, so the overall market is fearful right now. It's in the fear stage. So be fearful when others are greedy, and be greedy when others are fearful. So if you're a smart investor and you want to maximize your profit in this space, I think the best time to buy should be now, when everyone is scared. Because the real move in the overall cryptocurrency space hasn't even started. If you're paying attention, after 2020 having BTC pumped massively to close to 600%. After 2016 having BTC pumped to close to 3000%. After 2012 having BTC pumped to close to 800%. So we haven't experienced that post-halving pump. We are yet to get that post-halving pump of 2024, April 2024 to be precise. The pump hasn't even kicked in. So that is to tell you are still early to the party, early to the game. Now, let's just talk about this BTC price chart. BTC has corrected minus 25% so far from the previous all-time high of around $73,000, if I'm not mistaken. So history is repeating herself again on BTC. Now, let's just go back to the, the RXI for BTC on the daily time frame real quick. Now, if you're paying attention to October 12, 2023, when the RSI dropped below the 50% zone on the RSI line, the middle line, when it dropped below that zone should be the best entry opportunity, because a breakout of that 50% zone triggered a massive rally in BTC of over 80%. Now, let's go back to the RSI. Same thing happened in January 22nd, 2022. After we got a massive breakout of the 50% zone for the RSI, what happened to the price of BTC? We got a massive rally of over 80% to the upside as well. Now, history repeated herself briefly with a little momentum, you understand? In 1st of May 2024, we got a breakdown below the 50% zone, drop all the way to the zone we've dropped to before previously. The moment we got a massive breakout of that zone, what happened to the price of BTC? We pumped over 25%. So now the biggest question now is, what should we expect now? By the way, the price of BTC is currently at $57,365. We have 12 hours 52 minutes for this daily candle to close. Now the biggest question is BTC going to drop lower, or should we be expecting a reversal from here? Well, fingers crossed, let's watch out for the CPI report that is coming out this week, and also the spot Ethereum ETF that we're expecting probably this week. You understand? So fingers crossed, let's see how it goes. But if you're paying attention to the RSI has even dropped below the previous low of the RSI, which gave us over 25% pump. So now if you ask me, I think this is the best discount zone you can get BTC or any other altcoin you're holding. This is the best time to dollar cost average into whatever altcoin you believe in, you strongly believe in. Dollar cost averaging into BTC. Take long position if you want to take. I'm talking about swing trade. You understand? Now we are currently at 37%. We've dropped below 50%. We've dropped below the previous low, and also this previous low that triggered over 80% pump in BTC. So I think the pump that is going to come is going to be massive very, very soon, because we've dropped below the previous lows. So that is going to gather more momentum, more trading volume to skyrocket us to the upside. So the moment you see BTC RXI on the daily time frame breaking above the 50% zone, just know the BTC RSI, the BTC price is going to skyrocket. So yeah, that's that for that. As always, my name is Isaac. Please invest the amount you can afford to lose. Nothing is guaranteed in the crypto space. Like this video if you haven't already. Subscribe to my channel. Turn on the bell icon to get notified each time I drop new video. Share this video with your friends and family if you haven't already. As always, peace out.